All right, please build the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
You will expect a perfect AI. It seems that a little more time is needed to create a perfect AI. It appears the offering entry was done quite well. Could it be that it also created and entered the account categories, which are the brains of an accounting system with an extremely high level of difficulty? I am suspicious. Let's take a look at how the AI handled this. In the account category sheet, I see a direction slightly different from what I wanted. I wanted a system where slightly different account categories by year, annual account balances, and annual budgets were recorded in this account category sheet. When you are dissatisfied with the AI's design and construction, you might want to step in and fix it yourself. But wait, requesting modifications from the AI is also an option.
Spectacular work, buddy! You've made me incredibly happy.
Let's ask the AI to make large-scale modifications to the account sheet. The AI Copilot provided by Excel 365 seems to be quite a shy friend. It takes some time to pop up. If you give an AI a prompt, will it finish the task in a single attempt? If you thought so, you are quite naive. AI is good at handling complex tasks. However, there is one area where it is quite ignorant. Surprisingly, what AI does not know is not all the knowledge of the world, but it does not know me. Instruct the Copilot to modify the entire program by prompting it to make the list of account items into a single list that allows addition and deletion by year, 2024, 2026, to add an amount column to allow the input of the budget amount for revenue and expenses, and to allow the input of the previous year's budget in the amount column for assets, liabilities, and capital. I give the Copilot a somewhat unreasonable revision instruction, asking them to consider my intention behind the modification and to revise the related report appropriately. Okay, I'm handing this over to the AI Copilot from now on. I'll have a cup of coffee and admire the Copilot's revisions and the revision report. Korean instant coffee is just the best. I'd like to offer the Copilot a cup and ask how it tastes, but wouldn't it be better to just let him do the work? It is completely deleting the account table that the Copilot previously created. And there is no chance to stop it. And it is repeating the process of finding defects in the modifications it is making and fixing them again. I can't believe it. He is drawing in a modified table to replace the existing one. A Copilot who demonstrates incredible skill while simultaneously self-assessing, explaining what he is doing and why he is doing it this way during the work process. I commend the Copilot's amazing skills. The modifications made by Excel Copilot are incomparable to the modifications I make manually. This is because his modifications are complex, simultaneous operations. It is because he considers the impact that visible changes to the table structure have on the overall reports, including the financial statements produced by the system, and modifies those reports as well. It appears that the Copilot also has the capability to automatically verify whether the modifications made to the program are correct. Even this friend, with its amazing capabilities, is struggling to incorporate my complex intentions into the program. The Copilot is performing the final touches. Once the Done button appears, it means the changes I requested have been applied to the entire Excel system, right? Modifications using Copilot, accomplished with just a few lines of prompts requesting changes to the table structure and modifying the entire system's functionality resulting from those changes. He can't even be compared to the previous manual work. Look forward to the next video!